Hello, this is Scott. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something very simple, frequency tables in Statistica. Hope you can join me again. I cover a variety of different topics, but today will be very, very brief. All right, so I'm going to go in and use a data set that's example in your files that came with Statistica. It's the sports data set, and if we open that, we can see that it's comprised here, gives you 14 variables, 100 cases. So we have 14 different sports. These are a survey of men's sports, when they actually participate, and again, for 100 different men. So where do I find the frequency tab? It's under the statistics tab, and if I go to basic statistics, something, if you haven't noticed it, something interesting happens when I open up a file, because the menu changed when I first went there. So just something to keep note of. Statistica tries to help you out there. Anyway, go into basic statistics. I'm just going to go to frequency tables and click OK. And you can see here that there are a variety of different options within the platform. And I'll let you explore those on your own. For brevity, I'm just going to click open variables and then select football and then click a summary for football. So very simple example. Always is the main category that is selected here for football. And with the count of 39, of course we have 100, which is 39% for cumulative. And then you can see always or usually account for 55%, a cumulative 55%, etc. So very simple there. If I want to do more than one variable, that's allowed as well. So let me select additional variables. So we have football and marathon now, and I can click a summary, and so that gives me a different summary table for that as well. Now there is one thing that I will show you when you select more than one. So now we have two sports, and if I want to compare those two sports in the survey, I can go to this descriptives tab here and create descriptive statistics, and I can also create a 3D. So if I select football and marathon, Statistica helps me out here, and I click OK, then I can compare the relative frequencies here. Let me just see if I can get this as big as possible. So across this axis right here, I have marathon, and then across this axis, I have football. And so let me annotate. So this is football here. This is marathon here. So, and I can do comparisons, right? This is exploratory analysis, and I can look at people that always like football. Most of them never marathon, and the people that always marathon pretty much never participate in football. So just interesting correlations like that, and you can play around with that. I'll end there. Next time we're going to talk about crosstab tables. So hopefully you can join me there.